I need to get this video out to you because this stuff is crazy. I'm talking about updates within the last like 3 or 4 hours. People trying to shoot these things down. They might be jamming people's radios. Yeah, radio signals are getting weird fucking sounds coming through them that people are saying sound like aliens. A formation of lights over the ocean in New Jersey. This weird orb thing in the sky looked like a portal. Enough people captured it on camera that it made it to the news. People are gonna need answers really soon. So there's a lot of things we're gonna look at right now in today's video. I know the setup's a little bit different, but just bear with me because so many things are happening. I don't have time to go and like do the regular studio thing. We're just gonna do it right here, right now. Let's jump into today's video. Thanks for joining. Let's go. So one of the strangest things is people started hearing these weird sounds coming through their radios whenever drones were up above them. And we're talking New Jersey, New York. And I'm not talking about just one person uploading like a made up video. There is multiple videos of multiple people hearing these weird sounds. Check this out. Take a listen to this.
What the f? Oh my God, I'm freaking out.
People are freaking out because of this right here. It reminds me of the movie Signs. You guys see the movie Signs where like there was these weird noises coming through the baby monitors and stuff? It's weird.
Oh my fucking God, I'm freaking out.
That's one video. I'm going to show you guys another one right now. Similar sounds, multiple people hearing it. Totally bizarre. Listening to this makes me feel like we are about to have contact way sooner than we think. People are going to lose their shit. We have no answers from our government. Our government won't tell us what's going on, but there is so much happening now that they're being backed into a corner and they're getting to a point where they got to come up with something. They got to say something, whether it's drones from another country or these things are otherworldly beings, they got to say something. Here's another one. What would you do if you were in your car and you had all these unknown objects flying around up above and that started happening? What would be your first thought? Would you think, something's wrong with the radio? Or would you think that something is jamming my radio and like I'm picking up some weird kind of signal? Because that's exactly what I would think. So I think it's gotten to the point that people got freaked out enough by these things and not having any answers from our government that some people decided to try and go ahead and take this into their own hands. So I have video footage right here of a guy in Tennessee apparently that saw one of these things up in the sky. Now, mind you, they are not just in the Northeast region like a lot of the media has told us. They're in Florida, they're in Tennessee, they're in a lot of other states in the United States. They're all over the place. This is like a full-blown invasion of our sky. Now, whether you think that this is otherworldly or it's just foreign drones or it's a hobbyist, no matter what you think it is, there is no denying the fact that there are objects in our sky right now that we don't know the origin of, and they're all over the country. That is a fact, and that's kind of scary. A guy in Tennessee started shooting at one of these things. Take a look at this. I wonder what his neighbors were thinking. Like, fucking Billy's at it again. He is really trying to take that thing down. I understand the frustration. I understand that people are frustrated. They don't know what these are and they want to know where they're coming from, if they're enemy drones, if they're otherworldly. I get that part. But the thing that people might not take into consideration is it's extremely dangerous to just start taking pop shots at them. Because if there is some sort of dangerous chemical or explosive device or something like that inside of it, and you do end up hitting one of them and it goes down into a neighborhood, you're not protecting the civilians, you're actually harming the civilians at that point. So without knowing what's inside of these things, it's probably not a good idea to try to just drop one over your best friend's house. But now on the flip side, a lot of people are wondering, are these things dangerous, right? The FBI, the government said that they're not a threat. I showed you a video in yesterday's upload where a man captured one of these things hovering in place, shooting downwards in the distance.
Holy cow. That thing is completely stationary shooting.
That's frightening. If we're saying that these things aren't threatening, that is literally showing the definition of what a threat is. Something in the sky shooting down towards our civilians. But I'm going to show you guys a video right now of some kids that recorded one of these drones in New Jersey. The drone shot something and they got it on camera. Take a look at this.
I got it. That's a drone. You guys see how no, that's a drone. Holy shit! I got that on video! I got that on video! Holy shit!
All right, watch this. You could see something shooting out of the drone extremely fast.
Holy shit! I got that on video! I got that on video! Holy shit!
Their reaction was off the charts. If that was acting, they deserve an Oscar.
Did I not get that on video? I wasn't on video. Shut up! Shut up!
And then as the drone was approaching, they're like, wait, chill. It's up on us now. People are worried about what these things are going to do. And I believe that that is a legitimate concern. All right, next I have this video footage of a woman that captured a large formation cluster of these drones above the ocean. And apparently they just start going down in groups into the water. This is nuts. Take a look at this.
Someone called the cops on these lights. See, even the police, they're going crazy. These aliens are attacking.
Look at how they go down in a formation. They're going down in triangular shapes into the water. Look, the top three was a single line, and then it turns into a perfect triangle and goes down. Why? And why are all these drones coming from the ocean?
Oh my god, now cars they're starting to notice. Here comes another. Oh, fire truck.
Guys, this is crazy. Like, shit is getting really, really weird in the United States. I think a lot of people in their mind, when they hear the word mothership, they think that there's this giant ship up in the sky releasing all these little drones into our country. But I don't think a lot of people have thought about the fact that maybe this quote mothership is underwater. Maybe there's a submarine mothership that's in the ocean and releasing drones upwards out of the water in order to fly into our country. Just a thought, but it would make sense because a lot of people have seen these drones going out to the ocean, coming in from the ocean. Coast Guards have had encounters where they're being chased by groups of these things. I'm really curious to see what's going to happen. Somebody's got to say something soon. And with all this video footage emerging, we might get an answer within the next 24 to 48 hours. Now, people are wondering if these could possibly be a threat, and the FBI says no, it's not a threat. However, recently it was discovered that the FBI gave the fire departments of New Jersey and New York a long list of safety precautions on what to do if one of these things is downed. Take a look at this.
New Jersey Division of Fire Safety is sending a message to firefighters around the state about these drones.
Fire officials are telling local first responders that if there is a down drone, stay away. They shared an 8-point list of guidelines that say not to approach it and to stay more than 300 feet away. Down drones should not be approached. It goes on to advise firefighters to stay back more than 300 feet in all directions, use their full protective equipment, notify law enforcement and the FBI, and request hazardous materials response. It also says to request the nearest bomb squad. The last recommendation says electronic devices and two-way radio systems may malfunction in the immediate area.
So you're telling me that that's not a threat? Don't worry about it, it's not a threat. You got a whole bulletin board for the fire department to stay the hell away from these things, saying that you need to keep a certain distance from them. Also, radio responses may not work when you're close to them. This safety list was created from the FBI for the fire department. So the FBI knows more than they're telling us. For them to say that we don't see this as a threat and then give the fire department a whole list of safety protocol, you don't think that's a little bit weird? It's weird. All right, now take a look at this. Here's some video footage of one of these things going down, and it's literally on fire as it pummels towards the earth. Take a look at this.
Oh, that shit dropping on earth. Whoa! No! Hey, bro, it's gonna start shaking. Hey, bro, that might be a plane, fool. Bro, that might be a plane, gang. Boy, y'all, what the fuck?
It hit. It already hit. I know it hit. That shit just hit.
What the fuck?
Stores. No.
Damn, I wish I had my phone now.
Stores, nigga. No, that's not even stores. They're actual fuck, bro.
No, one's moving right now, bro.
Well, Cindy, police are not telling us much at the moment, but emergency officials have been here on the scene all morning searching that wooded area just behind me for something. I asked one firefighter right before he left if they found anything in that wooded area behind me. He politely said that he is not at liberty to say.
The news was not able to get anywhere near that location. Like, police and FBI had that thing shut off so fast. And then you also have the Trump administration telling the Biden administration, disclose. Start telling people what's going on. Disclose. Whether you hate the guy or love the guy, I'm not here to talk politics. But I think that everybody can say the same thing right now. We want to know what the hell is going on.
He just called on the Biden administration for you guys to either release any information it has about these mysterious drone sightings or shoot the drones out of the sky. How do you respond to the president-elect?
Well, first of all, the statements I've made already are the principal message that I want to communicate to the American public. We haven't seen anything unusual. We know of no threat.
All right, pause just for 1 second. Now, he just said that we don't see any way that these things pose a threat at all. Well, what about one of them falling down, burning, crashing down towards neighborhoods? What about one of them shooting something out while kids are out in the street playing and they record it on their phone and it literally shot something? You don't see a threat at all? What about the 8-list bulletin that the FBI issued to the fire department about how these things are dangerous and they shouldn't get close to them? The FBI told the fire department that. And then the head of our Homeland Security gets on live TV and says, we don't see anything about these that, poses a threat right now. They're falling out of the sky. It looks like some of them are shooting projectiles, possible weapons. And the FBI is telling the fire department, don't get close to these things whatsoever. Let our bomb squad in first. Something's not right, guys. Whether you're a conspiracy theorist or not, something is not right.
Number two, it's not as though anyone can just take down a drone in the sky. That in and of itself would be dangerous. We have various authorities that are discreet to the particular missions. We can't just shoot a drone out of the sky.
Right there. We have various authorities that are discreet to the particular situations. It's all about the way that these people word things. You got to pay close attention to the wording. And what he's really saying is we have various authorities, different groups of authorities who have to be discreet about certain situations. So you're literally saying right now on live TV that there are things that we cannot share with the public about what's going on. The public wants to know. The public is actually demanding to know. And it's not just the average citizen. We have congressmen demanding to know, state representatives, mayors, governors. People want to know what's going on. And you're saying that they don't have the authority to know? Who has that kind of authority to hold secrets like that? Weird stuff, guys. Very weird stuff. Now, if you saw the video that I did yesterday, it's literally on the thumbnail of the video that I uploaded. I was talking about some drones in China that they tested, like spraying something. I don't know what they were spraying, but there's video footage of these drones spraying something down towards the streets. Well, apparently a guy uploaded a video today, just a couple hours ago, saying that these drones are taking action, and he filmed one spraying something down from the sky. Take a look at this.
Look at this motherfucker. Look at him spraying. Look at that. Look at that. He is spraying the sky again. Bro, this is fucking crazy, man. Look at this guy. They're spraying the skies.
People are losing their minds right now. What is going on, America?
Look, he just sprayed that. This guy. This guy just sprayed that.
Okay, now, how do you explain this? There's a weird ball, like this orb or something, in the sky. People are thinking it's a portal of some sort. The news covered this. There's a lot of footage of this. This is not just something that someone CGI'd. Check this out.
And Bill and Sandra, you know, when things like this are happening, it seems everyone starts to look up, like my crew and I have been here in Mendham recording this video that you're looking at right now. We have no idea what it is, if it's a natural phenomenon, because it could be, but this is why so many municipalities are now asking people to reach out and send their videos to them or to experts who might be able to sort out what they're seeing in the skies. But I guarantee there are so many people looking up and making those recordings because this mystery is one that needs to be solved.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, stay tuned. I'm probably going to be checking in with you guys every day or so, trying to update on this, because there is so much footage and new news releasing every single hour. There's people out there trying to shoot these things down right now. I think we are on the verge of disclosure. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and theories as well. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys later. Peace.